have a kid and you're really thinking kung magkano yung kailangan nilang funds for their college education, this is the video for you. First, ilang taon na yung anak mo? So let's say for example, yung anak mo ay nasa 2 years old. And age for college kasi, as you all know, meron tayong K-12. So most likely, 19 years old talaga. School and universities, guys, let's say University A. The tuition fees, guys, ano na to ha, in total for 4 years. So let's say, for example, nasa 1.5 M. If you think na medyo may kalakihan yan, kasi guys, you have to anticipate. Kasi tingnan nyo, for 2 years old pa lang yung anak nyo. Years to come, lalaki at lalaki pa yan. Years left to save. Maminus lang natin itong 19 and 2 years old. Meaning years left to save bago maging college yung anak mo. So, 17 years left. Yan, 17 years left to save. Current funds for college, kung magkano na yung savings mo na naipon para sa college ng anak mo, meron na ba? Kung meron ka nang naset aside na funds para sa college education nila, that's great. But if wala pa, lagay mo na natin dito ay 0. Ayan. Total amount need before mag-college yung anak mo, since wala pa tayo nito, ang kailangan natin is 1.5 million pesos. Ibig sabihin na to, mamshis and papshis, kailangan natin makaipon ng 1.5 M for the next 17 years bago sila mag-college. Pero, pag meron ka dito, kunwari nakalagay 100,000, i-minus mo lang siya rito, so magiging labas niya 1.4 M. Pero for the example, kasi na 0, kaya 1.5 M dito. So, okay, let's do the math kung magkano yung kailangan mong i-save. So, 1.5 divided by 17,000. Yun na lang muna ilagay natin. And then, divide natin ito sa 12 months. Ayan siya, mamshis and papshis. Kailangan nyo mag-ipon ng 7,352 pesos per month para mag-ipon for the 17 years para ma-reach nyo yung target amount nyo na 1.5 million pesos. Nag-save ka for 17 years, nakaipon ka, na-reach mo tong 1.5 M. Na-achieve mo siya. So parents, medyo mag-real talk lang ako ha, kasi this is the reality of life. And since we're talking about the future of your kids. So kaya ganito siya. Kung makaipon ka man ng 1.5 million for the next 17 years, if something were to happen to you, especially pa nagkaroon ka ng sakit, anong funds kaya ang gagamitin mo for you to recover? Yan din ba yung gagamitin mo? Of course, ito talaga yung gagamitin mo, wala kang choice. Diba? And pag ginamit mo to, what would happen to your kids' education? Parents, cancelled yan. Lahat ng plans mo mawawala. And what's gonna happen to your kid? They will become breadwinners. And also, another fact, hindi na makapag-aral. This is the harsh reality in our lives. Ganitong concerns. Number, gamit mo ba to? Insurance mo is 2 million pesos. And what do you think would happen future? Insurance, I highly encourage you to really just